4 things that have a major impact on deciding the size of breast implant. First among them is current breast size. A patient who has more breast tissue may appear larger with the same volume implant as compared to the other patient who has less breast tissue. Second, body frame and chest width, which means the physical and the skeletal build of a person. And it can be like small build person, medium build person, or large build person. A woman who has larger frame will need a larger implant, and that with a smaller frame or smaller build will need a smaller implant. If someone's body frame is small and we choose a big size breast implant, then it will not look natural. What will happen is that if we place a big size implant, then even the edges of the implant will be visible after the surgery. A big size implant can also cause skin thinning and rippling of the skin over the implant. And with very big size implant, even sagging of the breast tissue can happen due to gravity effect. Third important thing to consider is skin quality. Skin and tissue quality plays a very major role. Anatomy helps us to determine whether the implant, breast lift or combination is a best approach. If suppose skin has a poor skin elasticity, it can allow the breast to sag over time if very big implant is used in that particular patient. So it's always advised to use a small size breast implant or to do add-on procedures to support the skin in case the skin quality is not good. Fourth most important thing is to consider the nipple position. Why? Because nipple should always be positioned in the center of the breast. And as we place implant, it will automatically get lifted. As the skin loses elasticity, maybe due to any factor like aging, pregnancy, breastfeeding or significant weight fluctuation, the breast will sag and nipple will come down or will start pointing downward. There will be a need of additional procedures like breast lift along with the breast implant surgery. The most important aim of breast augmentation surgery is to achieve natural and balanced look that suits your body and look good for you for a long time. Thank you.